Just as we catch the flu or a cold, dogs are easy targets for canine cough. Fortunately, there's a better way to protect your dog. Canine cough is highly contagious, most often caused by Bordetella bronchoseptica bacteria. Symptoms include a characteristic honking or gagging cough and a clear nasal discharge. It is easily transmitted through nose-to-nose contact, coughing and sneezing, or through contact with contaminated premises. Prime locations to acquire infection include dog parks and dog daycares, groomers and pet stores, as well as dog shows and canine agility events. If left untreated, complications such as chronic bronchitis, tracheal collapse, and pneumonia can occur. Ask your veterinarian today about Bronchicine for year-round protection against canine cough. Brought to you by Bronchicine, long-term canine cough protection without the blowback.